Hey everyone. So here I have my app developed and it's currently added to the App Store Connect. So the requirement here is I want to share this with a particular set of peoples and I don't need to get it reviewed by Apple to get a beta link. So the solution that I have is like I can have a test flight link. I can have a test flight um, you know, group added just like this for internal testing, but I cannot get a public link to share with people who can join my app directly. I have to get it reviewed by Apple to get, the public link. So in that case, either I have to add the users manually and wait for their acceptance of the user invitation, then add them to TestFlight. So that's a big process. So here's the platform TFInvites. So it allows you to connect to your App Store Connect through the API, and you'll be able to add your app here, right? For example, if you tap on New App, it will access the list of apps you have available. For example, I want to list this app, right? It will say I already have this one or added to my account. So I'll just go ahead and show you. For example, I have it named differently here. So I get a share option here, which gives me the direct link to get the tester or testers on board here. So all the testers have to do is put their email and name, first name and last name. What it'll do is it'll send them the user invitation first. Once they accept it, it'll automatically send them the test flight invitation as well. So the whole process to get the testers on board is really quick and it's automated, right? S- So then the other few feature that I'll tell in brief is like, for example, I want to email all my testers some new instructions for the new version. I can do that here, right? I can write an email to only selected. For example, I have 5 recipients if for these types of invitation status. So I can do that, right? And you can also invite some collaborator on your TF Invites app. So I'll create a full video of all the features this TF-Invites has, but for now, this will help you to get a public link really fast. Thank you.